Pero, bili daw ng kamatis. Wala ba dyan? 1 kilo. Kulang ng kamatis. Ingatan mo yung tablet nila. Ang tab nila mahulog.
And you will do the big test, yeah? You will do the big test.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Alive ka na?
Kasi ako nag-stream yard, so I don't know if it's good.
I need it up a little bit.
Hello.
بس انا قلت لكم بقول لي ما فهمت عليا بقى اشتري منه رمز كبير بقول له عشان كنت بقول له ما فهمت عليا دي نوع عليه
Hindi kailangan ko ng makas para po.
Hello, good morning, people. We are preparing for our COVID-19 vaccine training, so I hope you will stay with us and learn more about the vaccines so that you will be guided accordingly on your decision to do the vaccine. This is for our own good and our safety and your family's safety too.
You promote the session?
Plug in.
I have a microphone, so you can use the microphone.
Oh,
You
okay.
can explain it better.
Okay. Okay. If anyone have a question from the screen,
Yes,
just
we will.
share the question.
Yes,
with
we will
the-
share it.
This is for you. Small question. Do you know the names of people who are trying to attend? The names.
The names?
Yeah.
Yes, we have the names.
We have to fill this. And information about the participants.
Yes, we have the names for the first batch number. I will include my name, right?
Yeah.
No, don't include.
Myra.
Ay, a little bit higher.
Yes.
Maybe.
Age. Nationality. Filipino. Neighborhood, Borjamud. Anytime. WhatsApp number 768159554. May servant Ibrahim. Sulat mong na din sina the survey. Blessed Sunday, Mom. Blessed Sunday to MJ Fernando. Thank you for coming in. We are having a training for the COVID-19 vaccination. Hope you will stay with us, okay? We will be starting at 10.
Sige lang, kung taas konti, no? Kailangan mo pa itaas konti. Or
It's okay,
Ma'am.
Mom.
Okay na. Okay na. morning.
Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Welcome po. Antabayanan niyo po kami para sa aming live training about sa vaccine po with MSF, Medicine Sans Frontiers, ako Balagmut, o Dr. So, antabayanan nyo kami guys. Kung may mga question kayo, sulat nyo na lang yung question nyo at babasahin namin para sa kanila. Okay? So, antabayanan nyo po kami.
Facebook or YouTube Live?
Facebook and YouTube Live. We have Facebook and YouTube Live.
That's it.
Saan to? Yung charger mo? Ate? Saan yun?
It's okay. Pasang mo lang dito sa likod.
Sulat mo na natin pangalan mo na?
Yes, isulat mo na. Sinay Perry.
Alam mo edad nila eh.
And later they will come. Do you want coffee?
Sorry?
Coffee.
No, thank you. Hi. How are you? I am Ali from MSF. I'm health promoter. We will give a session related to COVID-19 vaccination. We will start soon by at 10 a.m. Please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask the question.
Where are the other names? Ay, bitnig sulat mo na. Hello! Si Maura pala. Thank you.
Ang sira na to? Ang sira na to?
Yes, where's my turn?
Ang sa labas yung mga Paging, Admin Griselda Lopera and Naiperi Amat. Sana po kayo. Lapit na po tayong mag-start. Location for some
Board siya mo. Hotel.
My dear.
Where are you now?
Andito na ako sa Daura.
Okay.
Punta na ng board chamon.
Okay.
Ano yung address nyo? Hindi ko alam, my dear. Doon ako sa dulo ng board chamon. Doon sa may Turumba. Saan ako pupunta?
Saan Turumba? Ang layo mo na. Kuwain Market. Sabihin mo, Kuwain Market, Borj Hamud.
Sasakayani ako?
Hindi ah. Saan kang trumba?
Saan ka ba ngayon?
Abu Artin?
Diretso lang itong, ano pa? Ano bang tawag dito?
Hanapin.
Pixel. Diretso lang papunta doon sa board chamon.
Big Sale?
Mag-cross ka.
Oo.
Sa kabila.
Ano ka? Tumawid ka. Tumawid ka.
Papunta sa kay Scarlett. Dire-diretso
Papunta
yun.
kay Scarlett.
Pagtawid ako ng board, ng Pixel.
Alam mo bang kay Scarlett Salon?
Hindi.
Yeah.
Adel,
Abu Artem na turumba, Abu Artem.
Malay.
Kung saan yung bus number 22, kung galing tayo ng embassy.
ilan?
Adel,
Nandito ako sa... Oy,
Hindi sa big
alam mo ba yung turumba na kung saan tayo bumababa kung galing tayo ng embassy, yung bus 22?
o dito sa may total?
Oo. Tapos diyan, tanungin mo saan ang Coin Market. Coin Market, Board Shamud, ha?
Papuntang Mariusip
Oo.
Church. Sa papunta ng
Oo,
Mariusip, tapos sa may footstep.
I-message mo na lang ang address.
Coin Market, Board Shamud.
Ito may
Ya
voice.
Allah. Oo,
Ya
sige.
Allah.
Basta ko tapos Maria Josep. Maria Josep.
Sige, i-message ko sa'yo. I-message ko sa'yo. She's lost.
Footstep.
Coin Market.
Dos. Alle betreffende valda.
Kunin ko na lang kaya sa Abu Artim.
Diretsuhin na lang yung Mariusip, makita ng footstep. Diyan na yun sa kanto.
Adel. Adel,
Hello.
saan ka na ngayon? Saan ka na ngayon? Location mo.
Papunta pa po. Dito pa ako sa supermarket. Pero papunta.
Saan supermarket? Saan ka supermarket?
Dito sa, ano ba itong tawag dito sa, yung harapan ng Big Sale dyan, papunta na lang board siya mo.
Rose? Rose, sina Elora, nasabihan mo? Okay, no problem. Second batch kasi sila eh. Okay, second vaccine. Ah, sabi na pala ni Elora, we will be there. Okay.
Kasi may Are you willing to take COVID-19?
Yes.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning.
Lagyan mo attended. No. Talk muna tayo. Tapos right.
Hindi ko pa naansiran.
No. Lagay ako yes. No. Yes. Have you taken? Lahat naman tayo nakabaksin nung maliit pa tayo, no? How are vaccine prices to the protector they are giving to people? Tested only.
Diba, I don't know eh. Hindi ko naman talaga alam.
Kaya nga, do you believe that vaccines are safe for you and your loved ones? I don't know. The possible mild side effects of vaccines include pain to the side of the vaccine. Yes.
Bakit walang manunood? Walang nanonood.
Does everyone get side effects after the vaccine? Yes.
May side effect?
Does everyone?
I don't know.
I don't know. Yes.
Malay ko ba?
I don't know. Children are among the first group to receive no. False. The COVID vaccine does not provide protection against the virus. I don't know. After taking the vaccine, I can stop making preventive measures. False. Natural remedies are just good as vaccine to protect. False. Are you willing to take the COVID vaccine? I don't know.
Oh, yes, na.
Who influences your decision to take your vaccine?
No one.
No one.
Have you heard about COVID-19?
Survey on COVID-19. Have you heard of the COVID-19? Yes. Have you attended training?
No.
No. Have you previously taken vaccine? Yes. How are vaccine tested? Animals and then people. How is COVID-19 vaccine taken? Through injection. What is the time? I don't know. Do you believe vaccinations are safe for you and your loved ones? I don't. I have to learn first. Possible mild. Ay, ulitin na din i-fill up kasi may mali-mali ako doon. The possible mild side effects of vaccines include pain at the site of the vaccine. Yes. Does everyone get side effects? I don't know. Children are among the first. False. COVID-19 does not provide protection. False. After taking the vaccine, I can stop. I don't know. Natural remedies are just as good. False. Are you willing to take the COVID vaccine? No. I don't know. Who influences? No one. Ay, ano ba? That's my survey. Welcome. Three watching for right now. Anita Francisco Pindamer, yes. You're welcome in this live streaming, but stay with us, okay? Kasi
This one is free service.
we will now learn about the COVID.
This one. Okay.
Ano yun?
Why we answer directly?
That's why we don't know.
Kaya later I will pass. Yes.
Really?
After the training,
After the
After
training.
you finish it, it's
Thank
okay.
you.
Good, and I didn't shade it clear.
And I shaded. Pindamer
Guys, where
and
are you
Anita
now?
Francisco, please stay with us so you will know about exactly yung COVID-19 vaccine, kung safe ba para sa atin or kung paano natin ma-avail yung vaccine, okay? Anyway, this is for our own good. We're almost to start. Si Maria Awad, saan na? Diyan lang kayo ha. Marhaba. Don't know what to do. I gotta. Andiyan na? Let her wash her hands first before entering.
Nandiyan na pala. Hi, Auntie. Good morning po. Kamusta po dyan sa Amerika? Leonora Servento Bannister, how are you? How's the weather there in America?
Oh,
Andyan na na.
good morning. Yes. No. Before you enter, my dear. Good morning. Did you wash? Did you disinfect? Sabon. I want to wash. Nandiyan, dalawang bus. Mga Pilipino. Ihatag ni Shirley. Dito. Wow! Kasi masayang sanina. Careful ang wire ha, baka yung projector.
Nalilid man. Nakakanindot na sa inyong sanina. Uy,
Siyempre.
masexy.
Siyempre.
Kailan mo atin?
5-5 lang tayo. Yung attendance hanap ka doon, attendance sa MSF.
Isa yung ngaran ako.
Yours. Put your name.
Ha?
Your name. Thank you sa 4 million viewers dyan. Kung may questions kayo, pwede kayong magtanong ha. Tapos i-ano namin para masagot nila. Pwede rin kayo umakyat sa screen, okay? Did you sign your attendance?
Kalau pinakamalayo. Pinakamalayo. Hindi kaya.
Doon ka na. Upo ka doon.
Ito? Hindi. Makasulod.
Hindi, oh.
Ang dalagi ay.
Pupunta ka, no? Yes, you can.
I asked participant to what are you smoking, and when I go back, I go after. أنا مش مشكلة.
I think this is interesting because I saw the
Yeah.
coronavirus there.
Yeah. This is the coronavirus.
Yeah, I love it. The sexiest virus.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, with the crown. I love it.
Crown.
Yes, the corona means crown.
Ano siyang doktor?
Yung isa.
Hello.
Valeria Stephen.
Valeria?
Yeah.
Yeah, she traveled away.
Valeria now in Mexico.
Mexico, yeah.
She's enjoying, she's sleeping, she's dancing. We have like 13 minutes to start, guys.
العصر اطلع جنة في الله يخليك ايه اللي راح صلاح المطر اكتر من ايه
Amy. Do you know Amy?
ايوه you like I'm fine.
Thank you for the 5 million in the house. I can also add this.
I'm fine.
So I don't
Antonio?
have those. You know. Yeah.
احنا لحد دلوقتي 10 الساعة 4:05 على السانسيت ازاي عند اليوم بس احنا هنستغل السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. استاهل طبعا عملنا من كل الشيطان فيه نفس الشيء كنا نعمل مع بلايا بس بلد الفكرة يعني احنا عملنا الفصل كده يمكن المية أقل في ولا أسأل عنها لازم تقلها ليش مرة على اليمن أعتقد أن حمار المستشفى دي دقة من اليمن
دي باليمن مع مصر. اليمن بتطول. الدين في الجلال والضغط
عليك احنا في كلمة تعمل
الشمس تقدم على طول.
على طول يقول
تقدم على الدنس.
Nalasing daw si Rosie kahapon.
Ha?
Nalasing daw si Rosie. No, thank you.
Ay, mo kape?
10 minutes more to go.
Bigay sa akin yung macaroni.
Ate.
Gawa ni ano yan eh, Sherry.
Mary, ate.
What is that?
Kabayong Honda. Ayaw mo magpainit? Kape.
Magkakape ka ba? Pag magkakape
Ayaw,
ka,
magkakape siya, magpapainit.
kasi kung ako lang eh,
So what?
ano? Bisita.
Buisita.
Nalasing ka ba?
Oo.
Ano yun ninyo?
Unahin ikaw kung vodka, tapos wine. Ako lang yun.
Pinaghalo mo pala.
Okay lang yun, sanay ako kasi lang pag nahanginan ako na lumabas sa wine. Nasakit na ko. Oo. Kailangan pag uminom ka ng wine, sa loob. O kaya,
Ako naman, kahapon, kung sabi na, bago kang may dumaka, wala pa siya. Kasi sabi niya, bibigyan ka ng pansit at birthday nga nung anak. Hindi na ako kasi ibunutin ko pa yung dinubuin. Nakapunta na kaya ako ng Asrapi.
first, before you answer,
Into the kingdom. Attendance if attendance only.
good morning guys! Kung may question kayo, ano lang ha?
If attendance mo na sila.
Please,
Mask?
بس ده مصر انا عملت احكي عن كوبل او تيجي هو كوبل دي قضت ثانيه بس اتفضل
Thank you.
Ba't yan suot mo ate Mayra na mas?
Mask. Our chef. Attendance.
Duran.
Attendance.
Attendance.
Check attendance.
Ay, Rosie. Ay, sino ba yung may labas-labas doon nakahawak dito sa nasyon na dadalhin pa?
Bastos!
Nandito na.
Hi! Nasa loob na. Oo. Kasi yung projector eh. Halika kayo dito. Pwede din dyan sa labas.
One can stay here, one can stay there, one can stay there. Oo.
Angel. Ano ko na ni Doron? Yung nasa anak ko, mga kapira. Ito ko nga, yung USA. No, USA.
Who is this Ali Ahmed?
Angel Francis.
That's why this Ali Ahmed quickly I look at you.
But you got him.
Yeah, I catch it.
1-0.
I'll put him up on the screen.
Okay.
Outside na upuan. You can use the microphone.
Sorry.
You can use the microphone.
Okay, but I think it's the voice. It's clear.
Ay, yung mask.
I want it clearer. Maybe they are. They don't.
Okay. Because of the echo and test. Tamam.
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 Kelsey, tamam.
This is for karaoke. Okay. Let's distribute the
We cannot overcrowd.
There's no XXL because my face is big.
Nalimutan ko ang ball. Dito na yung dito na. Okay. Kasama na ito? Sa akin to. Ito. Ito answer after that. Kaya ang answer yan ngayon. Wala training. Ito answeran pagkatapos ng training. Ito lang muna. Ito after ng training. Yan after ng training ko answeran. Ito after ng training. Answeran. Saan naman yung
No.
Not yet. She don't have the form.
This is a pre-test. This is you fill it at the end of the lecture, okay? So fill it from this.
Thank you.
Is anyone mind if we took pictures?
Yes, yes, no problem. Yeah, yeah.
All will accept?
We accept it.
Okay.
We want to be
Then we are
a
live. So I think it's okay. Maybe you need to ask.
we want to be a star.
Okay, then you need to sign. You write your full name here. Oh, and you sign? I think
Signature
the
here.
signature here is the
Oh,
date.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Have the signature here.
Yeah.
Today is 3/14,
Paano to ngayon lang naman ang
21.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Kaya paano to ngayon lang naman po sa nag-ano, no?
Kaya nga after the,
Ano kang after ito daw?
answer mo lang yung kung anong alam mo dyan.
Next time na lang yung sa webinar. Alex? Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, how are you?
ده اللي عملت له شهر أنا بعرف.
Bakit nag-reconnect ako?
Naka-entry.
Sino yun?
Dino, nakalis na po kayo? Nakalis na po ba kayo?
Sabi ko wala may ngayon. Wala ka lang may ngayon. Sabi ko kayo nakalista. From Monday, we are giving other coming Thursday.
Okay.
On Monday, we are getting the list via live. And only 100 received. Yes. Only 100 recipients every week.
Ate, black coffee ka? Black coffee?
Oo.
Ano, may
Wi-Fi?
may ano pa ba? Oo. Ang two na kutsarita. Ilan?
Dalawang kutsarita.
Maliit lang yung kutsarita ko.
Oh, di ba? May na. Basta may asukal.
Ay, sorry ate. Punta na yung telepono ko.
Ito ate yung kutsarita ko. Kaso, yung kape matapang o tama lang? Ganyan lang. Isa lang?
Number sign. Dollar sign. No, it's 24. I mean, 24. It's not about COVID. Yes. This one? Yeah.
Anong oras ka bumaba? Anong oras ka bumaba? Eh, hello. Good morning, dear. Hi. Yeah.
Nakita mo?
Here, the swimming
You can see?
is here now. No, no, no. That is in vaccine.
مع تحديد موعد
Oh, okay.
عن لقاح كوفيد 19 أطلقت وزارة الصحة
Mahirap.
Yeah, yeah. I can see you.
Now we have work phone. We have a work phone. Give that
Yeah, yeah.
solution from clinic if there is any training, we tell you direct. But there is no another high no only for the
Yes, yes,
okay.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
You need to solve the test alone. We're not sharing information.
Which vaccine this one? All kinds of vaccine. The one I had before or you have
This is like general knowledge.
Yeah.
Yeah,
She wants to try.
when I child and when I'm pregnant, I have vaccine.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ang maliit ka nakapakuna ka eh. Kape po kayo ate? Yes, he's not in
Ali, you can start.
Yeah, we can
Can
start.
I start?
Yes, we can start.
Okay.
Silence in the court.
This is for you.
Yeah, this is for
This is for you. We did it.
I can ask her.
Okay.
I don't know. Can I ask?
after the training. After the training.
Hello everyone. Ali.
خلصوا؟ هلا خلص الإلزام هلا خلص الإلزام Hello.
Ate, may lang yung
Hello.
Yes, yes.
خلص البيت ها؟
خبرونا انه
Wait,
هذا
tapos na kayo ng pre-test nyo?
البوست
Kasi mag-start na tayo.
Start na tayo. Dito na
Helen?
tayo.
هلا ليه انه بس الاول Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
We are fine.
Yes, my name is Ali Hamid. I'm health promoter from MSF. Welcome all and the blessed Sunday for you all. Today we will talk about COVID-19 vaccination and we will answer a question from you or from audience of the YouTube. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask the question, please.
Okay.
First, what vaccination? Maybe we have a small test with you. What kind of vaccine have you heard about?
Polio vaccine.
Polio,
Yes.
Hepatitis.
hepatitis B. or C?
Hepatitis B.
Yes, it's B.
Yeah.
Measles.
Yes.
What else?
Measles, yes.
All. Because when we are small, we
For
are.
pregnant women,
For a pregnant woman, tetanus. Yes.
immunity.
Immunity for a pregnant woman. And what types? Most recently, we have COVID-19 vaccination.
Yes. This
Okay.
time.
So, what kind of vaccine have you taken?
Regarding the vaccine, the COVID.
In general, vaccine in general, not COVID vaccine.
The polio vaccine.
Polio vaccine.
The measles, anti-measles.
Measles.
Eh.
What else?
Yellow fever.
Yellow fever. What about tetanus?
Yes, we did. We have this.
Okay.
Chicken pox.
Chicken pox.
Chicken pox, yes.
What else?
Measles.
Measles. Flu vaccine. Flu vaccine.
Flu
Right?
vaccine, yeah. Flu vaccine. Flu.
Flu vaccine.
Yes, influenza virus. Do you know anyone that had negative effect or negative feedback from vaccination?
So far, no.
We know.
No. Is there any negative feedback or negative issue related to vaccination? Even COVID vaccination.
We
or
hear
vaccine.
we hear negative feedbacks from the social media,
From the social
but
media. We will-
experiencing the experiencing the negative effect. So far, I didn't have any side effects with any
Okay.
vaccine that I took.
Okay, next, please. Today, we will talk about the immune system, and after that, we will talk about in details maybe on the COVID vaccine. What do you know about the immune system, or what do you know about how the vaccine works? What do you think? Out of science, mentally, the vaccine works as give the body memory to fight the new vaccine, right?
The new virus.
So the immune system of this phase, the immune system is antibodies that fight the new vaccine inside our body. There are viruses. The viruses enter the body. If we have antibodies from active or passive immunity, active immunity is from vaccination, passive immunity from previous illness. And maybe when I'm affected in smallpox, next
will not
time we will not have another
Smallpox.
smallpox. Why? Because after I'm affected with smallpox, my immune system introduced the smallpox as a new virus, and they produce antibodies for smallpox. These antibodies may be stay in the body for a long time that help the body to fight smallpox again. Right?
Yes.
So if we have the antibodies, we will kill the virus. And after that, make as a memory inside the immune system. So I have how? So I have memory. If smallpox come again to my body, I have already antibody from previous infection.
Smallpox infection.
Any questions?
So far, not.
Any questions?
Not yet.
Okay. Next, please. So what is vaccination? What is vaccination from previous discussion? Vaccination is a protection against harmful disease or harmful illness. Vaccination, how work built as a resistance inside the body. The vaccination build an active protection to the immune system to detect another infection maybe for the second time and create antibodies like an army man, like an army to protect the body inside the body to protect against for the future infection. So how the vaccination protect our body? Maybe vaccine contain killed virus or attenuated virus. After a killed virus or attenuated virus, or we can say a weak virus enter the body or a part of the body. After that, the immune system detect this virus and make that was talk make immunity and antibodies for the next time. And if a strong virus enter the body, already we have antibodies and protection from the previous infection or from the weak virus that I talked before. The myth or the rumor talk that the vaccine gives me an infection. So they do not give you an infection, or so there is no risk. Most vaccines are given by injection, injection intramuscular or by mouth. Some vaccine may be given as nasal spray or
Yes,
by
polio
mouth, like
is
polio.
oral.
It's 2 drops.
Yes.
Drops, yes. Next, please. How will the vaccine give me an immunity? Before we will talk about the immune system, we will talk about the immune system. Immune system, okay. Immune system, we can use this. Immune system, okay. Immune system detect the virus, and immune system detect the vaccine. So, if this is, okay, this is the spikes that covers the virus. Spikes. Okay, Okay, protein spikes. And this is the antibody. Antibody catch the
That's
spike.
right.
After that,
It stays on the pipe.
enter and destroy the virus. Okay? The vaccine, attenuated virus, as you see, is a virus, but weak virus, or a part of the virus. This virus inside has spikes, but this is a part of the virus that inside the laboratory maybe kill the virus, expose the virus for high grade temperature that make the virus weak. After that, the immune system detect this weak virus and start production of these. When we start production of this antibody, when the virus enter the body, the antibody is ready to kill it. This is the process of vaccination, how the vaccine give us an immunity. And after that, we make another memory for boost my memory or my immune system for the second infection. So if I take the vaccine, the flu vaccine, not the flu, maybe the smallpox vaccine. After 10 years, I will make another vaccine, another infection with smallpox. This because we have already from the vaccine antibody will catch the smallpox. But I will affected by the smallpox, but with low symptoms. The severity differs. So low symptoms. After this, the cell start to produce a new antibodies. This is the immunity from the second infection. So when we take a vaccine, we have a memory, and when we affected with the virus, we will make a vaccine as well. Okay? Any questions?
If,
Yes.
as you said, that the vaccine contains the dead, exactly that, like the dead virus
Yes.
already, the
Yes.
passive one.
Yes.
So how will it be fighting the active virus when this one is already dead?
Yes. This one already done. So we have a part of them. A part of the immune system will detect this. A part of the virus. Detect this. And enter the cell. After you enter the cell, the immune system start produce this. Even is that or weak virus. So start to produce this antibodies. Antibodies go to the memory. If we have another infection, so the antibodies is ready, can catch the virus and kill the virus. So it is a technique to do or to make the vaccine. The technique that
So how much is the percentage of the dead virus infused in the vaccine?
in the vaccine, it
Yes.
differs between viruses and viruses. Maybe some viruses can give attenuated, maybe a part of the virus. It differs from the vaccine to another vaccine. We will see next for the types of vaccine. So we have ineffective vaccine. Okay, types of vaccine, ineffective vaccines like influenza, polio, hepatitis A, and toxic vaccine or live attenuated vaccine. Live attenuated toxic vaccine that give me a small part of the virus.
Of the live virus? You
Hmm?
mean the live virus?
No, live virus may be weak or maybe that or maybe part.
Because there it says live attenuated
Yes,
vaccine.
still live but weak.
Hmm.
Okay, still live but weak. Maybe this live attenuated virus make like symptoms, maybe make fever or what else. So it's okay. If we have a fever, this means that my immune system is work. Okay. Subunit virus, like a part of the virus, as we said before. And the new technique is the mRNA virus. mRNA vaccines, like nowadays we have Pfizer, use this new technique to produce the COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, how the vaccine developed tested? It's a long time. We start with discovery science inside the lab. After that, studies on the animals, maybe rat, maybe rabbit, maybe chimpanzee. After that, we have 4 phases of clinical trials. First phase, we will give the vaccine for one person, and we will see. Second phase, another group, bigger. Fourth phase, study in more than patients, and the fifth phase, fourth phase, given for the participant more than the third phase. After that, make approval from WHO or FDA. About Pfizer, we have an emergency approval for vaccine. Next time, please. Any questions? Everything is clear?
No, I mean, 1 minute.
Yes.
The vaccine that is 2 doses, right? There is also 1 dose like the Johnson and Johnson.
Johnson
We're
and
going
Johnson one
further.
dose.
Why
Okay,
is
we will
necessary
see.
for 2 doses?
Yes, Johnson and Johnson we can show one dose, and if effective is 66%. We will take about Pfizer. Pfizer 95%. 2 doses. Between dose and dose we have 3 weeks. AstraZeneca about 90% of vaccine, and Sinovac in China and Sputnik 92%. About the Johnson and Johnson for one dose. Okay,
One dose, but it's only 66%
Yes,
efficacy.
yes, yes. Maybe it is an industrial thing. So we can make the vaccine for one single dose or second dose. Most the time, more time, the second dose as the boost.
Yeah.
Okay, to give memory for maybe a long time.
But what do you mean by mRNA?
mRNA, we will talk
How
about.
do you differ the
Yes.
technology?
Yes, mRNA is a new technology. We will talk about mRNA right now. Okay. Okay, how the vaccine works. We will see a video how the vaccine works.
How do COVID vaccines work in your body? Well, I have 60 seconds to tell you 3 things you should know. Ready? Number 1, getting the immune system in shape. A vaccine is basically a training session for the immune system. Vaccines teach the immune system to look for the key features of a virus. So, when a virus does show up, it's ready to fight it off. Number 2, vaccine, beat virus. The vaccine gives your body a plan to recognize the virus. Then your immune system starts preparing by making antibodies, or fighter cells, that stay in your blood as protection in case the virus tries to invade. What this means is you get immunity against the disease without having to get sick first. Number 3, immunity, immunity. When enough people's bodies know how to fight off a virus, it has nowhere to go. That slows the spread. When people get a vaccine, we're able to stop the spread quicker and get a little closer to ending this pandemic. That's basically how vaccines work. And that is 60 seconds.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay. About mRNA, I will show a video, and after that I will discuss mRNA.
The first 2 vaccines approved to combat COVID-19 are the first medicines of any kind based on mRNA. Conventional vaccines contain dead or inactive virus particles, but mRNA vaccines work differently. mRNA is a bit like an instruction manual. Virtually all the cells in our body use mRNA to build proteins. In the new COVID-19 vaccines, mRNA carries instructions for building a copy of the spike protein, the part of the virus that attaches to our cells. By itself, the spike protein is harmless, but it trains the immune system to fight the actual virus. But mRNA is fragile and breaks down quickly. To protect the mRNA long enough for it to reach a cell, scientists wrapped it in a protective bubble called a lipid nanoparticle.
RNA is very susceptible to being digested by enzymes called RNases. And so the lipid nanoparticles protect the RNA and help deliver the RNA to the inside of cells. If RNA is lying around outside of cells, it won't get turned into a protein.
Because mRNA breaks down at room temperature, the vaccines need to be kept extremely cold. These new COVID-19 vaccines represent the culmination of decades of research into mRNA medicines. mRNA-based drugs have potential well beyond this virus. They are now being developed and tested to treat a wide range of diseases.
Okay, I think it's complicated, right?
I want to ask,
Yes.
where do you get the mRNA? Because usually, like us humans, the DNA we get it from the saliva or other
Yes.
fluids of the body.
mRNA,
The mRNA is
yes,
where?
mRNA is a messenger mRNA that take the message from the nucleus or from the cell to the immune system.
The nucleus from what? The plant or the animal or what?
Human,
Mhm.
human cell. Okay, I will discuss. This is mRNA vaccine. mRNA vaccine, the video I know it's complicated because it's full scientific. mRNA technique, full scientific. I will try to make it maybe simple. mRNA is not a part of the cell. It is the messenger when I affected by the virus. The nucleus send or the cell send to the immune system message by mRNA. Please start introduce this
Antibody.
antibody. So the mRNA technique is taking this messenger, this delivery man maybe. Okay, this delivery man, please enter the body, directly go to the immune system, please start produce this. The messenger mRNA from the name messenger, just take the message and deliver to the immune system, please start produce this. And this is and it have most effective right now 95%. It is a new technique of the vaccine. It is clear.
Yeah.
Okay, because if I will start mRNA and biology, it's more complicated. Okay, but I think it's clear now, right? The messenger mRNA is the man who go to the cell or to the immune system, please start produce antibodies. And Pfizer have the messenger mRNA technique that give injection and go to the immune system to start to produce antibodies without giving me a vaccine. تمام؟ Pfizer tested in more than 34,000 participants around the world, different countries, races, and ages. The vaccine was almost 95% effective after 1 week taking the second dose. As you said before, the Pfizer has 2 doses. First dose in day 0, and after 3 weeks, we will take a second dose. Next one, please. Okay, Pfizer COVID-19, it's given in the arm. Okay, vaccine given injection in the intramuscular here in the arm. The first dose was given in the person mentioned after 15 minutes. After I will take the first dose, I will observe from medical staff in the site for 15 minutes. Why? Maybe I have an allergy for the vaccine. And in 15 minutes, maybe I have allergic reaction. So when the doctor or the nurse is near me, it's okay. And the second dose was given after 3 weeks from the first dose. And some mild side effect can be happen. As any vaccine may have a lot of side effects, like pain in the side. What else? Fever, headache, general
Chills.
weakness, chills. Okay?
Weakness, body malaise.
Yes. Here in Lebanon,
Oh my God.
2 brothers, one vaccinated with smallpox, and the other not vaccinated. We can see this boy is affected with smallpox because they have immunity from the vaccine.
Antibody.
They have the antibodies already from the vaccine. And this guy,
Doesn't have.
no vaccine. But the second time this guy affected from smallpox will be like this.
Yeah.
So this is why the vaccine is important. Yes. Herd immunity. Did you know what herd immunity?
The commune.
Yes. Herd immunity. Sorry?
The whole commune.
Yes. Herd immunity is the immunity for all the community. It means that maybe more than 80% of the community vaccinated. And if we can see the green is vaccinated,
Yeah.
have a green antibodies.
Yeah.
The red man
Not vaccinated.
not vaccinated and the black not vaccinated. Red man positive.
Yes.
Okay. Transmit to the second red man. But these green not affected because we already vaccinated. So what about the this black?
They were not vaccinated, but they have the immune system is very strong.
Yes, and it is the issue that if this man affect this man and affect this man will
Affected.
go.
Okay.
So when I take the vaccine, I protect myself, protect my communities,
Yeah.
okay, and protect all my family. So when I am not infected, I will not transmit the disease for this. So one can spread the virus for one, but if this not vaccinated, this will give to this,
Yes.
will give to this. So the vaccines will break the chain of pandemic.
So if this is the case, when you say, let's say, in this picture, 80% has been vaccinated. So this
80%.
one will have an idea.
Yes.
Colors, I will not make vaccine anymore because they have the vaccine. I will not give it to me.
Yes, yes. This is the health immunity.
Let them have the vaccine. You cannot transfer it anymore to me. Anyway, I will not have the pain.
Yes, this is the health immunity. And, can take this. But we have, who is this group?
Maybe
This man has allergy for the vaccine.
yes.
They cannot take the vaccine. This is a pregnant woman not yet approved to take the vaccine. This is a child.
The other has cancer.
Yes. So this black cannot take the vaccine because they have medical issues. This green protect this black. So this is the health.
Kalas,
immunity.
Anna, I have sickness. You take the vaccine for me, okay? I'll stay with you. You will not give it to me anyway.
But we have a big community here in Lebanon.
Like my husband, he registered for vaccination. Me, I did not. Because he wants
They're in the same house anyway.
yeah.
Sorry?
My husband, he registered for vaccination. So me, I will not.
Okay, but we can see Ali. We can see what is your name? May. We can see what.
Myra.
Oh, if you want if you will not go out home and stay with husband for all time, it's okay. I think it's complicated, right?
Yeah, it's complicated.
Complicated to stay home.
Yeah.
Burning and the problems and come. Okay. Any questions? Okay, I will talk about stages of taking the vaccine, and after that you can give a break for 10 to 15 minutes and continue. Okay?
Okay.
Stage one. For what? For healthcare workers like doctors, nurses, frontliners, social frontliners, and age group over 75. Second stage, the 20% of population over 65, and third stage for the
Priority.
priorities group, and after that for all the community.
In the stage four.
Here in Lebanon, we still start for the first stage.
Any questions, guys, you can ask.
We still in the first stage. Nowadays, the healthcare workers take the vaccine and the age group more than 75 years old because it's supposed that high risk group to make complication and the frontline workers Nurses. If all nurses are affected with the virus, who will take care from the patients?
The COVID patient, yeah.
Yes. So this is why the frontline workers or the nurses or the doctors is in stage one. We will give a break for 15 minutes, and after that we will continue. If you have any questions, please prepare the questions to answer. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
thank you.
Is this the end for the first batch? No.
Break only.
So we have to answer this one. And then we will give one, give this.
There. Pengi ako plato at saka ano.
Complete answer.
Kani? Ay,
Ano yung
nabili ko.
ginagawa?
Hindi.
Binasi. Ilan po? Isa, saka isa. Ayun na.
Cups.
Plastic cup. Yun lang?
Madami. Maano ang tinggan.
Okay. Asan yung hilis?
May juice dyan, may juice din. Ganun lang sa kanila. Hindi, yung mga ano pa natin, wala. Kaya lang wala tayong plate. Pwede na siguro kamay, no? Kleenex, no? Pwede pa Kleenex nito? Sa mga ano, Kleenex na lang siguro. Oo.
Asan yung Kleenex?
Sa labas mayroong Kleenex. Sa likod dyan, meron dyan.
Okay na yan, sir. Sige lang kung mga vitamin.
Oh.
Ito na, relax na lang tayo para po. Baka yan yung babae.
Yung
Thank you.
yung discount. Hindi yan, binili natin yan.
Binili yan.
Kasi nakakapagpapal ko pa rin yung dito.
Meron. Etong dalawa.
Si ano, si Mary.
Bakit pumasok sa akin Philippine community?
Ate,
Tumataan.
Sobrang babot kami.
Oo nga. Thank you.
Meron. Meron ka na?
Andun na.
Meron na. Thank you.
Emi Kiambao, good morning. Rose Tabash, JJ Season, Sandali lang, break lang. Okay, stay with us.
Sunday ngayon, pwede ako kumain. Everything.
Hindi ka fasting. Ay, uwi na si Ate Tess.
Ano?
Si Ate Tess uwi na daw next week. Paalam mo sa'yo? Sabi ko, kailan ng pagida.
Kailan ka? Malis ka. Malis ka.
Morning ko lang nagsabi sa akin. Sabi ko, alam naman ni Mimi. Sabi ko, hindi ka sinabi ni...
Baka ihampas
Ano
din
niya?
ano dyan.
Masarap ng grade ito na ha? Ano?
Ano tayo na? Sabi ko kay Manong Lola kung sinabi na sa'yo ni Ate Tess. Kasi uwi na daw for good.
Babalik lang yun kasi meron siyang dollar account.
Oh, paano kayo natin ka? Hindi niya makuha.
Sabagay talagang pwede, dapat na siyang muna dahil nagpagbawas ng bar, pinaayos na, tapos nabubulok lang doon. Sabi ko, umuwi ka ng malakas.
Sino?
Yung hindi yung
akin, Pangasinan?
sa Bulacan.
Bulacan lang.
Para yung paayos na wala namang nakatira. Umuwi ka na, mag-enjoy mo yung bahay mo si Tess.
May iwan si Cathy, no? Pamakit niya.
Bubulok ang bahay pag walang nakatigil.
Akin, bulok na.
May
Walang
nag-aasikaso
nakatira eh.
naman yung pamangkin, pero iba pa rin siya.
Bahay ko, bulok na.
Kaya lang paayos na, di ba?
Sa akin, bulok
Kaya
na.
yung bili, pagbabagahe, para saan yun?
Dora, meron ka.
Senior citizen na siya, marami siyang discount.
Oo.
Problema.
20%.
Sandali lang guys ha.
Oh!
Nagising sa AJ.
Mami, sabi niya. 24 po lang.
Okay, okay.
Hindi ko na malayan, alas 10 na pala, takbo ko.
Ate Mary.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Nalate tuloy. Sakto ba? Sakto ba?
Sobra na, late ka. Ah, meron na.
Walang plato. Kasi ko dapat pinibili mo.
Umuwi kayo nung malakas. Nung na-enjoy mo pa.
Hindi, batch by batch kasi. 5 lang dapat eh. Lima lang yun. Para hindi crowded.
Para hindi crowded. May second batch pa after nito, 12 o'clock.
12 to...
12 to 1 sila, dapat second batch yun sila eh.
Oo, second batch.
Hindi naman naman sa hapon. Maganda sa umaga. May magawa ko sa hapon.
12 to 59 dollars. Uwi na na.
Sarado mo yun.
Break lang kami ha, sandali.
Ano kayo na? Sino nag-add sa'yo sa Philippine community?
Hindi ko alam. Pumasok sa WhatsApp, hindi ko...
Siya din, no?
Pumasok sa WhatsApp, sino? Kaya nga, saan ang embassy?
Hindi ko tuloy ma-okay.
Hello?
Hindi, saan to embassy?
Angel, dito ka no.
Angel, pakainin mo sa AJ.
Wala nang drink.
Mamili ka pa. Drink ka. Parehas lang.
Kami ng ganito. Sandali.
Bigay mo sa mga.
Oh my goodness.
Ate Mayra. Bigay ka tiga.
Uy, good talaga. Siya pala yung nag-added si Helen sa Philippine community. Kasi nga daw, better yung mga training para i-upload daw sa lahat.
Kaya pala nagulat kayo.
May phone call.
Ayun ka.
Ay, grabe naman. Yung kanina nga, sipa-sipa nyo eh.
Mami furniture.
You need water at 500. Water at 500, not 50. I learned when I need the treatment.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. We are back. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hello. Welcome, ladies.
You can sing now.
We will talk now about vaccination rumors.
Yeah.
What is the first rumor? What do you think?
A lot. They said they are afraid.
Side effect. Vaccine can kill me. Right? What is another rumor?
If you are a woman, you cannot give birth.
No, infertility.
Yes.
Yes. What else?
Antahin niyo yung just another woman.
Right.
Another woman in love.
Eh? Okay. First, we have a lot of rumors we will talk about. But rumors, it's not the truth. First, we have microchip.
Yes.
Microchip.
Yeah.
You know about microchip? Yes, microchip. We give records inside the body and
They will monitor you.
monitoring me. Inside the home, inside the more at work. And all time. Ali? Ali? Okay. Vaccine will make me ill. They will give me another infection inside the vaccine. After I take the vaccine, I can put off remove the mask. Right? Yes or no?
No.
Sure. Infertility. This woman cannot be pregnant. Just one dash. Okay. The government will monitor me and will affect me. The vaccine is just a normal saline without treatment. The vaccine will kill me. I can stop clean my hand when I take the vaccine. And rumors can take some herbs is better than the vaccine. I can drink tea or Nescafe better than, or I can take some herbs to prevent the COVID-19. How many people take the vaccines around the world? We have about 37.1 million are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. So it's 1% around population. It can change between countries. Here in Lebanon, about 1% took the vaccine, about 870,000 registered, but more than 600,000 take at least the vaccine. Okay? It started with healthcare workers and age group. Started from 15 February till now, we have more than 80,000, more than
85,600 people.
600 have taken at least one dose. How many people are okay? How do you can register to get COVID-19 or pre-registration? First, we can visit covex.moph.gov.lb. This is the link I can share with you later, or we can call 1214. The MOPH will send you a message to confirm your registration. After that, when it is your turn, the MOPH will send you a link to make appointment for the vaccination. Appointment, date and time and the place. After that, you attend to the appointment, get vaccinated for the first dose of Pfizer. About the second dose, we'll receive a message after
21 days.
before
3 weeks.
Yes. The second dose after 21 days. Maybe after 19 days, we'll receive the message that inform you your appointment this time, this site to take the second dose, and will receive a certificate that you are vaccinated.
Can I ask question?
Yes, sure.
if the person wants to vaccine,
Yes.
it has maintenance for high blood again.
If we,
Maintenance for high blood.
She's asking if a person who has a taking medicine for high blood pressure,
yes,
can
it's
she
okay.
take the vaccine?
It's okay. Yes, can take the vaccine. It's okay for all health conditions. But still
Monitoring.
under monitoring in just only in the pregnant woman. There is no study about pregnancy and this vaccine yet. But about chronic disease like hypertension, diabetes, it's okay to take.
But I think when on that day of your vaccination, if you have fever, you should inform the one who's going to give the
Yes,
vaccination,
yes, I will
because
show
you can't
you
take when you have the fever.
how to register. I will show you. This is the site. Okay.
I have the link.
You didn't
Okay.
send me the
I will show you the site.
Send me
And this is my full name, Ali Muhammad Al-Hamid. Oops, sorry.
Oh. May ko ba napasalit?
Okay, again.
Meron dyan? Tingnan mo.
Dito pwede pa.
Okay. First, the registration, name, father's name, gender, nationality, date of birth, and what type of ID you have. Second, address.
This is from
Okay.
the impact.
Third,
I have the list already.
third, what is your professional or occupation, and phone number, email, what else? After that, we finish it by medical information. If you have allergy, if you have affected by the vaccine before. After that, we can submit. Submit. We'll go to the next session, to the next step. That MOPH will send you a message that please you can register on. You can take appointment on the site and the date you can give. After we take the first dose, we have this box. This box, if we have any side effect, we can add a side effect like a fever, like headache, muscle pain, chills, or what else. Okay, and report to MOPH. And finally, after the second dose,
Ate, sinend mo sa akin?
Huh?
Sinend mo?
Wala pa.
after the second dose, we can access this that inform you as a vaccination card. Name, first dose, date, and site, second dose, date, and site. This is a certification for me that I took the second dose of the vaccine. Why I took the second dose, the first and second dose of vaccine? Because I am a nurse. So I am in the first group to take vaccination. Tamam? Now we have Ali's testimony. Testimony. Yes,
You got it.
I got
Okay.
2 doses of Pfizer. The first dose was in 16 February.
Okay, I can
The
stay
second
with you. I
dose,
will not have any more.
yes. The second dose in 9 March. Not open. I will show you with you. Yes, this is.
Send mo sa akin, te.
Okay.
Okay.
Dun sa group
We
namin,
need to
tatlo.
fill it.
Para isa.
Okay. So, anyone have a question for me related to COVID-19 vaccination process? Because I'm already vaccinated. Okay, I am vaccinated.
How do
So-
you feel after the second dose of the...
You get the Pfizer, right?
Yes, fine. After the first dose, it's okay, no signs and symptoms, no side effect. And after the second dose, I had general weakness at night, only just general weakness at night. And I report it to the MOPH.
Uh-huh. So what did they tell you? Stay cool,
Yes. Yes.
relax, and see a movie.
There is one Filipina.
Yes.
She did vaccine before she can sleep. Now she can sleep very easily.
How was she
There's no
able to get the
Maybe,
vaccination?
maybe
How was she able to get the vaccination?
because I think it's old or it's
No,
a
no.
healthcare
But
provider.
her boss is doctor in Hotel Jew.
She's a
He
doctor.
was
The boss.
shifted.
Hmm?
Was
The boss
the
of
The
the
boss is
Filipina
doctor.
is a doctor in Hotel Joe. That's why the Filipina got
Sorry to
know
say
that.
that maybe
Yes.
it's a wasta.
Yeah, what's the wasta?
Basta.
Okay.
Not you in Lebanon.
Any question for Ali?
Question.
Question about my maybe my experience.
Yeah.
What was the first reaction when you got the moment you got the vaccine? How did you feel? What then?
No, relax.
Relax?
Yes, relax. And finally, the first dose and the second dose. Finally, the second dose because I'm working with the patients. I have my grandma, my grandfather. I have my mother. She has a medical condition, so I protect myself and protect
The
my.
three of us are
Okay.
always in contact with poor people because we are giving you relief. Can we be on the priority list?
For the next time, I will give you the vaccine.
Yeah, please. La, I can stand beside you. I'll not get anymore anyway.
Okay. So taking the vaccine protect myself and protect the community and my family and my patients inside the hospital. Any question? Any questions?
Any question, girls?
No, for me, no.
I want to ask something. After the vaccination, first and second dose,
Yes.
did you feel something change in your appearance or in your body?
Like
Maybe.
yes, it's a rumor.
Changes,
Yes,
there
it's
is
a rumor.
changes in your normal.
Yes, yes,
before and
it's a
after.
rumor. I took the second dose without any signs of symptoms. All my friends took the second dose. My wife took the second dose, and everything is okay. Maybe my wife have had some symptoms or some side effects like chills, general weakness, as
Yes.
any vaccine. This is side effect for all vaccine because we give because the immune system is working. When the immune system working, maybe you have some signs and symptoms, so it's okay.
There is a possibility maybe we become powerful or.
I hope, maybe. So I am vaccinated, and you see I'm not dying.
No, the
I'm
question
still
is,
working.
most of the migrant workers
Yes.
are illegals. You
Illegal.
know?
Yes.
So
Yes.
how will they be able to register? Will they be asked of their ikama
No,
or
no,
passport?
no.
And another
Just asking for what
any
document
ID?
you have.
Yeah,
Any ID.
just
Maybe
to
ID
show that they
to
are
the
this
gym.
person. Yeah.
Maybe
But
ID to the gym.
another question, another apprehensions of these illegal workers,
Yes.
they are afraid to register because they are afraid that maybe these papers will be submitted to the
MOPH,
to the police, and
then
then internal security will come and arrest them.
I don't know, really, I don't know, but I think it's separated from MOPH to another.
So I mean, what's the guarantee of the registration to be kept only for the MOPH?
I don't know. Really, here in Lebanon, we don't know if your information
Will be
secret
given,
will
yes.
be still under study. Sorry to say that. It's welcome
Don't
to Lebanon.
register, guys.
But when what I know that the COVAX asks you for any ID, maybe
Yes.
passport, maybe
I also asked from the UK medical team. They
yes,
said
you can.
from their side, they said that any information will not be shared.
Sharing.
We don't know
We don't know because this is under research.
because it should be at least it should be kept private. You know.
Yes, it's a privacy and advocacy for the patient. Sure.
So how the apprehensions of the migrant workers, how safe are we to register for this vaccine? You know?
Still safe.
No, I mean
After
on
that,
security level.
but
On the security level.
but after that, maybe this information can share. I don't know, really. I don't know. I don't know. Any questions?
Any questions,
Not
guys?
legal questions.
Rose
please.
Tabash.
I am not a lawyer.
Happy Heart, yes. Good morning, Happy Heart.
You are vaccinated, eh?
Yes.
So, kung may mga questions kayo about the vaccine, you can answer.
Some news. Maybe after you have to tell us what will happen to you.
What
Because
we?
you just had a vaccine.
No, he got already the second
The
dose.
second dose.
Okay, but
So-
it's new, yani.
So
Still
far,
new.
How long have you been?
Maybe the rumor, maybe when I go back to home now, if I took an accident in the car, the people said, Ali dies from the
the
vaccine.
vaccine, yes,
What
exactly.
news on Facebook?
I'm afraid maybe after this, after a few months, you will dance on the street.
Maybe you die of high blood, not in the vaccine.
Yes. But this is all rumors. The information from the Ministry of Public
There's a
Health.
lot of rumors.
What
Yes.
about from Norway, the 21
It's just news.
old, yeah,
It's just news.
21 person.
What's the question? Sorry.
The
Norway.
one that was circulated in the social media that 21 of those who got vaccinated in Norway died.
21?
21. It's just rumors, you know.
Yes, just
Because
rumors.
not everything
The
that is being shared in the social media are true.
Yes, I can
They
share
can make
now.
story.
I can share now. Ali died from vaccine, but I'm alive.
That's why it makes people scared, you know.
Yes. So we need to search for sources of information like MOPH, WHO, World Health Organization. This is the source of information, not Facebook, not YouTube channels. Some YouTube
No,
channels.
this is you're talking here.
Some YouTube channels. So we have information that is with good references in the websites of MOPH. And you can ask the website, everyone have a phone, have internet, we can enter to who.org and read a lot of information in English, in Arabic, in French, in Amharic. What else? Do you have any question? Thank you very much. Yes.
You heard about the Brazil variant?
Brazil.
From Brazil variant. It's new now. They just entered in Philippines.
New virus?
Yes.
Till now.
I just saw.
I heard something on the Facebook, but information about this or knowledge about this is still new. COVID-19 started in.
Just entered the virus in Philippines. I just saw it in the.
No, I have no.
Maybe they call it the Brazilian variant because that person came from Brazil.
Like Corona, it's Chinese.
Chinese.
Sure, it's not Chinese.
Different nationality come in the virus.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here,
Because from where they originated, so they named it there.
Yes.
If the carrier is like this, they will name it like
Yes. Sorry for this. Or it's a virus for Beirut, not for Jbel. We can say it's a lot of rumors.
Yeah.
Any questions about vaccination? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
we have evaluation form, please, if can you
Yes.
fill it. And we have yes,
I don't know.
the survey.
Survey.
So guys, kayo wala ba kayong mga questions dyan?
So guys, kung may mga questions kayo,
This is about COVID-19 vaccine. What is the time between the first dose and the second dose? 3
tapos
weeks.
na, napilap na ang sila mo na yan?
On average, how long after the second dose do you develop protection?
Makakamot na ng after.
Hindi pwede naman umalis yung yung first batch na naka-attend.
At ang sinabi na sa'yo? Tapos na sa'yo?
Na-answer ko
Sira
na
mo
to.
na yan, huwag mo nang i-review.
Ay, bahala na yan dyan.
Sa akin, tapos na din.
Hoy, me, I don't know doon eh.
Ay, Rich. Alam mo ako rin, meron din ako.
Si Ayaw, Helen, I answered it before.
Yes, I don't
Listen, I don't know.
Because I didn't how about the one, the pamphlet? You still have? Yes, yes.
Wala na kaming video.
So guys, ito
Tapos na po yung
yun.
first batch, guys.
Tapos na yung first batch. We
Second
are
batch na
now,
naman po.
we will start for the second batch.
Anong oras ang second batch? Alas 12. Second batch. Yung mga sila. Sa inyo, tapos na kayo first batch. Pwede na umuwi yung first batch. Palis na kayo. Ako din, alis na. Nararating na. Yan yung second batch namin o maaga sila.
Don't touch it, okay?
Happy, happy, happy birthday.
Sa'yo ang inuman, sa akin ng pulutan. Happy, happy,
Namatay yung pinag-Lola Ching no,
Ha?
Namatay na yung...
Kahapon pa?
Tapos meron din.
Meron na yun, Alay.
Kilala mo si Ramsey Damiano? Taga,
About the training, it was good or not?
Ate Mary, akin na yun nasa tabi mo.
Date of
Excellent,
start.
excellent.
Everything excellent.
Everything excellent.
Date of
Start.
start.
Anong date tayo ngayon?
March 14.
And March 14. 10 a.m., di ba?
ngayon 11.
March
Training meeting, workshop attended.
21. Anong oras na? 12 na?
11:10.
Training meeting and workshop attended.
COVID-19 vaccine.
Saan kayo lagay? Bigay mo kay Helen doon. COVID-19 vaccine. Ating number of days in session. Oo.
How would I say very bad? I will say excellent. I got. I gave a good grade to Ali.
Where there is at the back? At the back.
They're still at the back?
Yes. I don't have it. Ano na oras? What was the most Anong ginagay din?
Excellent lahat talaga. Very bad.
Okay. I share with you.
Saan na si ano? Si...
Ano date? Ano ba? Date start ngayon?
Oo.
Ano ba siya ngayon?
14.
March 14.
Charlotte?
Ay, ano nga ba ngayon? March?
I don't have this.
Yes.
Anong date ngayon? 14.
No, anim daw lang ang dinala niya.
May darating kasi na...
Yung date of end, ano yun?
May nag-din. Yung date? Oo.
Ilan na ang workshop natin? Ito? O ito pa lang? Include ba yung nakaraan?
Lagay mo lang COVID-19 vaccine. Oo, 2 times na to eh. Pangalawa na ba to?
No,
Wala,
one pa lang.
Wala lang. Ito pa lang sa COVID-19. Una pa lang to.
Yung nala, first, isa lang ba natin? Oo.
Number 1 pa lang to. First session.
Ito lang naman na ano natin na training.
Ano nilagay mo dito sa baba mo?
Guys, may second batch pa kami para sa COVID-19 vaccination. It will start at 12 o'clock, okay? I hope you will be with me again. Itong first batch. Para kung may matuto tayo patungkol sa get the vaccination. Para may matuto tayo patungkol sa COVID-19 vaccine, kung dapat ba magpa-vaccine tayo or hindi. Ang lahat naman kasi ng desisyon ay nasa inyo. Kung kukuha kayo ng vaccine or no, pero ini-explain kung bakit kailangan natin kumuha or magkaroon ng vaccination. Okay? Kung gaano ka-importante yung vaccine sa protection para sa ating sarili, sa pamilya at sa komunidad. Protect yourself and your community from coronavirus.
Thank you so much.
Adele, thank you for coming, for attending. Dito ka muna, mag-bye ka muna dito. Say bye. You're not paying attention very well, ha? Kasi naka-double ka.
Patapos na yun. No? Ano yung ano mo, Mayra, sa vaccination?
Ha?
Ano yung ano? Itong training sa Afro?
Yes. Itong training to. Naipasa ko sa Afro.
Next.
Thank you, Admi.
Bakit wala kami ganyan?
Mamaya pa, syempre, second batch ka pa eh.
Nasa quarter na kami.
Hello, bye-bye.
Ha?
Bye. See you next time.
Naghihintay pala sa akin.
Hi.
Happy heart. Good morning.
Happy Wednesday.
Enjoy your watching. You learn more.
Yes. English yun ah. Please like and subscribe. Mega love shout out. Pwede naman sila pagka-stream yan. Pwede silang,
Heart reaction.
pwede silang umakyat dyan eh.
What exactly your...
Ako hindi pa ako ready kasi kaya hindi ko na ina-activate.
Ang
Aking YouTube.
di nakakapag-ano ka nga eh. Nagko-comment ka nga eh. Diba?
Oo, pero wala pa akong
Bakit hindi ako makakomment?
Nagko-comment ba ako?
Ay, ka na? Hindi pa ba?
Sino mo?
Oo, grado ka. Si
Angel,
Angel, sa
nandiyan
loob.
ka sa ano?
Sa loob si Angel na.
Angel.
Sa loob na si Angel.
Angel.
Angel muna tayo. Walang tao.
May katok-katok.
Doon kayo mag-picture tayo.
Si Angel. Angel.
Andun sa kwarto si
First
Angel.
one, dito. Wala pa ng tao. Ano ka na, lady? First one, picture. Hindi, akala ko nandun ka loob.
First batch daw, first batch.
First batch.
Bakit kami ka na, Mary?
Excuse me.
Mamay, alik ka na group picture muna tayo.
Mag-video na tayo.
Pwede ko. Boy, yan na. Dito. Tayo. Dito. Si ano? Opo. Yung mga paano na kunin mo. Tawagin mo si ano. Group picture.
For the first batch.
Alisin ko yung mask ko para makita nila.
For the first batch. The most guwapo.
Second batch ako, dito na ako.
Anak kami. Kuha ba lahat?
Paalam kunin mo.
Isa pa. 20,000. Smile. Okay?
O, doon ka.
Okay na?
What is the mask?
Okay.
Wait.
Merci. Muna kunin mo sa
Wait, sir, mask. What about mask?
Yes, it must. They will not recognize. Send ko nga ako ng isa. Send mo ako ng isa. O, yung brochure nyo, nahulog na.
May tao nga ba? Wala.
Wala nga.
Ito sa akin na eh. Where you go? Gulo ka dyan. You don't have much. You need to put your hand.
And broadcast muna ako. Tapos, ano na naman.